This is fried cod with a lemon dill hollandaise sauce. Fried cod with a lemon dill hollandaise sauce. We're eating well tonight. I've got a pound of cod fillets skinned. They're fairly thin. There's a thick one, there's a slimmer one, and they're nice and clean and dried. And what we're going to do is take, the recipe for this is down below in the comments. I've got some refined coconut oil. I really like refined coconut oil. It's got a really good smoke point. It doesn't taste like coconut. Big fan of that. So I've got 2 tablespoons. I'm going to put that in. Just heating this up. I've got a bowl and I've got some Carbalose flour, 1/4 cup. A little bit of garlic powder. Little fresh cracked pepper. Some pink Himalayan salt. A little grind of that. Let's get it, mix it up. I'm going to dip each piece of fish in and set it on a plate. Now sometimes you can take the fish and rub some lemon on it and then dip it in, but we're going to do a lemon sauce, right? A lemon dill hollandaise. So just going to cover this, both sides, pack it in with your fingers. You can use any kind of fish you want. Cod was on sale this week and it looked really good. This hollandaise sauce is very good with on all kinds of vegetables and on some grilled beef. And traditionally it would be on eggs benedict, but this is just excellent with this fish. Okay, that's nicely heated. I'll put the thickest one in first. Yep, got a nice little sizzle on there. It won't take long, a couple minutes aside. And I'll flip it over. That's a nice golden brown. We don't want to overcook this. Cod's a fairly firm fish. Kingfish is very good. I do that in the islands, actually. There you go. That took 4 minutes in total. I'm just going to take this pan off, and I've preheated this just onto warm. So I'm just going to put it inside here, just to keep it warm while we make the hollandaise sauce. So we need a pot with water. Now, if you've never made hollandaise sauce, this is so easy. It's very easy to make and so delicious. So I've got some water, and I'm not going to use a double boiler for this. I like to use this bowl because it's kind of flat on the bottom for whisking. And what we're going to do is put in 4 tablespoons of butter, a tablespoon of water. Hollandaise sauce takes about 3 minutes to make. What we're going to do is take a little wedge of a lemon. There, that's coming up now. I've got 1 egg yolk. So when we go with the egg yolk, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt. Secret is don't stop whisking. And we're just going to whisk it until it's a really nice thick sauce. If you stop whisking and you've got too much heat, it'll separate on you. And that's not good. There, see, that's turning already. I like that. I've got 2 tablespoons of dill. You can use tarragon too, but this recipe is all about dill and lemon. Just whisk that in. I'm going to turn this off. So that sauce is ready. Oh yeah, this is going to be good. Okay, I'm going to take that off. Just set it there for a minute. Get rid of this guy. Take the fish. It's not too hot. Now, to serve this, what I like to do is put a little bit of sauce on the bottom, not on top of the fish. I want it on the bottom. So I'm going to put some on like this, like that. I'm going to place some fish on the top, just like that. That's perfect, flaky fish. Now I'm going to serve this with some cauliflower on the side too, because this hollandaise sauce is going to be really good with that. There you go, there's fried cod with a lemon dill hollandaise sauce on it. Thanks for watching.